Today, I'm going to teach you how to choose the right domain using Google Keyword Planner to scan for exact match domains. First, we're going to start by searching for the keywords that we want to target in our exact match domain. For example, if we want to target tennis shoes so that when people search tennis shoes on Google, our website shows up, then we would type in tennis shoes in here and click on get results, and it will give us a list of related keywords to tennis shoes and the estimated monthly traffic that that keyword currently gets on search engines. Then what we want to do is click on the download keyword ideas here on the top right of the Google Keyword Planner, and then click on CSV. That's the format we want to download the file in, and it's going to download all these keywords basically in a CSV file onto your computer. So as you can see here, it says preparing report, and now it says downloading report, and that's it. Now we download it. Next, we're going to take that CSV file we just downloaded, and we're going to run it through a SEO domain checker.com. And basically what that software does is it allows us to import that CSV file and basically check each one for exact match domain. And here it is, you would download it for either Windows or Mac, depending on which your computer is. Next, we're going to import the CSV file we just downloaded from Google Keyword Planner into our SEO software that we just installed. And we're going to click choose file here and select the CSV file, which is usually starts with keyword stats from our downloads folder where we downloaded it. And we're going to click open here, and that's it. Basically, it's going to start searching that CSV file now, as you can see, and presenting you with all your EMD exact match domain options, and it'll tell you which one's available, which one's unavailable, and this is all based on that CSV file. So it tells you the traffic that that domain name gets right here. This is the organic traffic it gets monthly. So technically, if you were to rank on search engines for this keyword, you would get all this traffic for free basically. And here's your competition index, how many competition there is for that specific keyword, and length of the domain. Obviously, the shorter domain is better than a longer domain, so this has all kinds of filter options here. You can filter what it is exactly you're looking for, so you can hone in down to that perfect domain name. And that's it. That's how you find the perfect exact match domain name.